What if the rooftop tent you're about to invest in can't handle a brutal storm? You dream of waking up to epic sunrise views, but you're worried about complicated setups, flimsy materials, and condensation that ruins your gear. You're wondering which tent is truly for season, which one sets up in under a minute, and which one will leave you stranded in the cold. The search for the perfect overlanding shelter ends right here. After months of testing the latest models from the deserts to the mountains, we discovered one tent that's an absolute fortress, and a popular model that could be your biggest regret on the trail. These are the only 5 rooftop tents you should consider in 2025. Number 1. SanHima Rooftop Tent. You wake up, roll over, and you're greeted by 360-degree views of the nature from the Skyview windows. Whether it's the sunrise or stargazing at night, you'll always have the best view. With huge front/rear doors and Skyview windows, you get all the fresh air you need. Plus, the bug-proof mesh keeps the mozzies and midges out, so you can enjoy the breeze without the annoying buzzing. Packed compact and lightweight, at just 81.4 pounds, this soft-shell rooftop tent is a breeze to handle. Our Alpine rooftop tent folds down to a neat little box, 55 by 42 by 10 in, so it won't take up too much room on your car roof, making it ideal for even the smallest cars or if you're tight on space. Once it's up and ready to go, it's pretty much out of sight and doesn't weigh you down, so you can hit the road with no hassle. Seriously tough, made of 300 DPU coated polyester, it's waterproof to 3000 millimeters and got UV 50+ protection to handle rain, wind, or blazing sun. The honeycomb aluminum floor adds extra durability and comfort. The 210D polyester full coverage canopy provides extra shelter while you're coming in or out. When traveling, the 600D PVC transit cover protects it from everything that could mess it up. Number 2. Vidalido 8 to 10 person camping tent. The tent is perfect for 8 to 10 person outdoor camping. With a size of 13.1 foot x 9.1 foot x 76.7 in, h, 119.2 square feet. 2 queen air mattresses, 6.7 feet * 5 feet / 200 cm * 150 cm, thickness suggest below 7.8 inches, or 8 to 10 sleeping bags are well fit in the tent. Perfect for family camping or adventures with friends. High-quality material and waterproof, made with anti-tear 150D polyester and 200D Oxford fabric for long-lasting performance. With the 1,500 mm polyurethane hydrostatic rated coating high-tech, the tent guarantees PU 1500 mm water-resistant. The camping tent stays completely dry in light rainy days. Note: 1. Do not use the tent in heavy rain or rainstorm. 2. Due to the temperature difference between inside and outside, there will be corresponding small water droplets in the tent, which is normal. Good ventilation and scenic views of the outdoors. This 8 to 10 person tent has 3 mesh doors, 2 mesh windows and mesh tent top, which allow the breeze to come in and keep the bugs out. Top large mesh roof makes it available to watch stars with a wide view at night. Number 3. Rooftop tent for SUV. The triangular roof tent is equipped with an inflatable pole, which is easy to install and can be quickly transformed into a spacious interior space that can accommodate 2 adults and 1 child. Suitable for Jeeps, SUVs, and truck models with a roof load of greater than or equal to 600 pounds, it is an ideal choice for family outdoor adventures. Waterproof and UV-resistant, the rain cover is made of 800D polyester fabric with a waterproof rating of 5,000 millimeters. The main body adopts 340G polyester cotton with a waterproof rating of 3,500 millimeters, all coated with PU for UV protection and heat insulation. It provides maximum durability and protection in various weather conditions. Note: avoid using in extremely bad weather conditions. Wind-resistant and sturdy support poles. There are multiple reinforced aluminum support poles inside to strongly support the tent. The aluminum base plate, telescopic ladder and roof form a 3-point support system to enhance wind resistance. After folding, the rain cover can be fixed with straps to prevent it from being blown up by the wind. Number 4. Naturnest Rooftop Tent. Bamacar Rooftop Tent for Jeep, SUV, van, pickup truck, car, trailer, vehicle camping. Kind reminder, please choose a wide/no lake area for camping to reduce condensation. Make sure tent is dry before closing. When not in use, please open the tent and ventilate it in the sun every month to complete maintenance. If you need more camping tips and need me, please let me know. Faster setup means more camping time. Pop-up clamshell rooftop tent with 30 seconds to set up. It can accommodate 2 to 4 people depending on the size, and the raised rear design provides extra headroom and a wider view, creating a more open and airy feeling. Our iKamper rooftop tent is ideal for families or groups seeking comfort and adventure. Ultra-durable and pressure-resistant, compared with other brands of rooftop tents, iKamper roof rack tent gas struts with a support force of 8,000 N, and is still durable after 45,000 uses. The aircraft-grade aluminum hard shell provides high-strength durability and protection, while also having super load-bearing capacity. Number 5. YOLENY Inflatable Rooftop Tent. This tent can be set up in 5 to 10 minutes with an inflatable air pump and used on both the car and the ground. The extended canopy can double the camping space, and the air mattress and telescoping ladder can be used separately. Comfortable sleep with a 6-inch thick inflatable mattress and extra small windows on both sides. Our inflatable tent for camping can provide you with a comfortable, fresh, and supportive sleeping environment. Elevated camping. This blow-up tent offers expansive panoramic views and superior ventilation with TPU skylight, all while being free from worries about damp ground or disturbances from small animals. Upgraded materials made of full dull poly-textured 300D Oxford cloth and PU-coated fabric. The 4-season tent offers better waterproofing and sun protection than regular Oxford fabric. The windows are designed with double-layer fabric to meet 4-season needs. So there you have it. The ultimate guide to finding your home on the road. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time overlander, your perfect rooftop sanctuary is now clear. Ready to upgrade your adventure? All the tents we featured, with the best prices and direct links, are waiting for you down in the video description. If this guide helped you navigate the crowded market and find the perfect tent for your journey, please smash that like button ***. It fuels our mission to bring you more real-world tests. Share this with your adventure squad, and subscribe because next week, we're revealing the one cheap accessory that makes any rooftop tent 50% more comfortable, and it fits in your pocket.